About a year ago, I got an opportunity to test the Walkolution right there, and later on they also sent the Era desk right there, which is a standing treadmill made out of wood. Now today I have the very fortunate opportunity to also try out and test and review the Walkolution Kybun version, which has a different surface than the Walkolution over there. This video right here is going to be an unboxing of this monster of a box that the Kybun Walkolution is inside, and later on I will also create a comparison between these two models and of course also a complete review about the Kybun and probably combining that with the Era desk as well. Now the company Walkolution is not paying me for making these videos. However, please be aware that I do earn an affiliate commission if you do decide to purchase one of their products by using my coupon code linked below in the description. It is, I think, Chris Spiegel. One thing right from the start, this product is not light. It is made out of massive wood pieces and thus it has a pretty hefty weight to it. So for me, this was quite the challenge to carry up all the way down from the street where it was delivered up here to, I think we are on the 3rd floor. So that is something to keep in mind, but with 3 or 4 strong men or women, there should be no problem at all carrying this wherever you need it to go. Now with that said, let's cut it open. Now at first I thought, wow, now I have to lift this out, but turns out they have a bit of a QR code in here with a website which has the setup guide, and that actually has me basically cut the sides of this box as well, because they have developed this whole way of how they can package and transport the Walkolution like this in a pretty safe way so that it doesn't get scratched up or anything. And of course, because it is relatively heavy, it is going to probably not be just transported by classic postage office, and instead it's probably going to be delivered by some kind of specialized transport company. That looks better. And there you can see they have like this, I don't know what exactly it is, if it's wood or some kind of paper, but it is really solid and just protects the Walkolution in there. Now something else that I also saw in this guide and in terms of like how to unbox this, essentially nowadays they pretty much always include the performance kit, which means you have those feet that are able to basically make it that the Walkolution is standing still in place, and it is a little more firm right there, which I already mentioned with the Walkolution in my initial review and my talk about that. It makes it much more stable and also quieter. In this case, those are always on already, and they also have the installation done, and you have the rolling feet underneath, but you also have the feet which you can slide under if desired. Now I'm gonna remove them because I want to kind of like move the Walkolution down here into this corner. And now with everything removed and all of the wheels free and also unlocked, I think I can just push it around. And there you have it, the Walkolution Kybun version with the soft foam padding on the walking surface. This is completely different to the standard, I would call it, Walkolution, which has these wooden planks, which you can do also use in barefoot scenarios, but this here is supposed to be much better. For now though, I think I have to unlock it right here because there's currently a lock in place so that it does not slide around while being transported. Now the feet are locked, and I'm going to remove the lock that they have put here. There we go. And there's the other piece of the locking mechanism that they put in there. But with that, let's take the first few steps. And of course, I don't have any railing on here yet. There are the holes for the railing and the backrest and everything, but I'm just gonna go like this and see for a first impression how it actually feels on the feet. Wow. I have to say, it is quite remarkable. Like, they describe it as walking on forest flooring or like the earthy forest. And I have to say, for like just this mega initial first impression, for barefoot walking, it feels really, really good. And if I just compare this for a short moment with the original Walkolution that I have here. Well, who knew? This one is softer on your feet. And I guess that is probably also the main point, that this foam is kind of giving you the dampening that normally shoes would give you, but here you essentially don't have to wear any shoes because the dampening and the softness is built into the surface of the Walkolution. Just now doing this extremely quick first impressions comparison and going from the soft surface right here to the Walkolution, I immediately felt that the other Walkolution is harder when you step onto it. But of course, that is the main differentiation between these two. It is going to be harder. Now, I still enjoy walking on the Walkolution, and I'm probably going to continue to enjoy walking on the Walkolution itself without the soft dampening, because it gives this, I don't know, it's like this wooden plank, almost like a dock on a sea feeling that I get from that, which is really nice. But for longer distances, I prefer to go onto the wooden plank Walkolution just with training shoes or something similar to get that dampening. But I can totally see how this Kybun version would be the preferred choice if you want to have that experience of barefoot walking on this surface. Now, I am assuming that nowadays they're also going to ship the original Walkolution in pretty much the same packaging, so that's probably going to be similar. Now, as I said, I'm going to move ahead and compare how these fare in day-to-day use, which one I prefer and which one is for who. If you have any questions regarding the Walkolution, the Era desk, the Kybun, or anything around those things, you can of course leave a comment down in the comment section below. I'm happy to either include that information in an upcoming video, or I usually also respond in the comment section directly. Now, with all that said, again, if you are going to buy a Walkolution, I can recommend you use my coupon code ChrisSpiegel, because with that you can get a slight discount. And now if you want to see more about working and walking at the same time, I have a playlist of videos right here for you, and there I share more about my experience with electric treadmills as well as the Walkolution and the Era desk. So check those out, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I hope to see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!